I'm Homer with SealGuard. Today we're going to show you how simple it is to use our Hyperflex single component pre-catalyzed NSF 61 polyurethane for use in potable water. This is an 390 PC Graco airless paint sprayer. We reworked the manifold with the speed control. This is a valve to release the pressure or to bleed the air out of it. And over here is our counter that counts the strokes of the piston. So 650 strokes would be 1 gallon. All our Hyperflex cans comes with a lid on it that has 3/4 NPT threads in it. You just cut the center of it out. This is our barrel valve. It screws on to the cap, onto the drum, and then you just shut it off like this. This is a clear suction hose with a wire braid into it so it doesn't collapse. So all you have to do is, once it's been installed on top of the pump, is crack open the bleeder, turn on the valve, turn on your pump, the material will suck down through and out the hose. The hose end has a resert on it, so at the end of your shift, you just shut your pump off, you bleed the pressure off of the hose. That takes the pressure off the piston when it's not being used. Put a packer in the end so that the end will be good for tomorrow. This is a closed system, so there's no reason to run pump flush through it till you get to the end of your job and you want to clean it up and you're done. So it's not put the pump into a bucket, pour the material in, try to mix the catalyst in correctly, which it does not impregnate every cell structure evenly. You'll have hot spots and cold spots. But being in the bucket, moisture gets in and reacts single component, and you have a mess. Then you also have to dispose of that mess. Catalyst is not easily disposed of. The whole system's on wheels, so you can wheel it around wherever you want to, and it makes polyurethane injection for crack injection a lot simpler. SealGuard has everything you need for crack injection. They normally stock 40,000 pounds of Hyperflex, so we can ship it out overnight, 5-gallon cans in UPS, or we can ship out 55-gallon drums. There's a pressure valve on here so you know how much pressure you're doing on your injection, the speed control, the bleed off, and the counter. So you can be precise at what you put in every packer. It takes 2% moisture to react Hyperflex. Expands 20 to 1. Thank you.